Hey travel lovers, we just left Athens and we did a walking tour of the Acropolis and the area around that, and we just wanted to show you in a video how important it was in a city that's so filled with history, the importance of somebody explaining everything that was going on. We did our research on this. Watch this video. It'll give you a really good idea of what you're going to get. This was one of the best things we could have done while in Athens. So enjoy the video. Make sure you subscribe to Traveling Lovers right at the bottom here on the right, left, wherever it is. And follow us as we travel around the world. We stay in each country for 1 month and really try and pass along the best information possible. George, it's the Athens Walking Tour, which you're going to look for the sign in front of the chapel. And what's the square called?
The square is called Monastiraki, and this is a Plaka and Monastiraki tour. It's based on the old town of Athens. And this is what we're going to see today. Vespasian is a funny figure because he stayed in history as the toilet emperor. And this is why he built a lot of buildings like that all over the empire.
So there was an actual toilet emperor.
There was an actual toilet emperor. And there was an attack in Athens after the incident of the hot gates. I don't know if you know it, I believe you do. After this incident, the Persian army attacked in Athens, looted the place, destroyed the Acropolis and burned the city. It wasn't here 2 weeks before.
Oh.
And 2 weeks after, it won't be here anymore. It will be replaced with something else.
So every 2 weeks this would be repainted?
Maybe even earlier.
Wow.
I'm giving it a window of opportunity because I see.
So this area was built and they would bring over workers from the Aegean Islands because they worked so well with the rock. The law was if you had a pillar and a roof, the inspectors would come through, they could not tell you to take it down. So they would sneak in here at night. And build 4 pillars and a roof, and by the next morning the inspectors could not take it down.
All the population of the city is included. Men, women, important women are not allowed in the Agora because they don't have political rights in ancient Athens, but they attend theater.
So far this tour is awesome, guys. Learning so much. The walk is beautiful. Just seeing all the old architecture, learning about it. Here's the line that you have to stand in to get your tickets. But if you do the walking tour, you don't have to stand in that line. I asked if she had the ticket. She's like, of course. I know my job, and you should know yours, you pack mule. The first theater in Greece right here. Our guide was telling us the most important thing for the actor to have a voice that could sound both like man and a woman and that could reach the highest parts of the stadium. Pieces, and they basically got them up with the pulley system. And I would guess this would be, I don't even know, tons and tons. Those pillars are 11 pieces each, 2,500 years old.
No matter though, how much money?
Guide said if you're gonna go up here where the big flag is, that's where the pickpockets hang out, so watch your wallets. It's like Vegas.